Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart Exam Resources. The various revision notes videos are intended to give you a quick peek into the actual contents of the chemistry revision notes prepared by Smart Exam Resources. Remember, as a paid member, you will get all the revision notes as PDFs that are completely downloadable and printable. In fact, you get two versions of our revision notes, one as downloadable and printable PDFs and second as these preview videos, which are available here for you to see. Remember, these preview video notes are free for all to view, irrespective whether you are a paid member or not, as they are a preview. The only difference is, once you are a paid member, then you get complete access to the revision notes for chemistry, that you can download and then print as per your requirement. And we offer quality, so we are fine with offering a complete preview. So, about these revision notes. These notes have been made by teachers who have rich experience in teaching IGCSE chemistry and have assessed students during various IGCSE chemistry examinations. All of these notes will surely undergo revision from time to time, with essential changes as and when required. These notes are made for the students who will be appearing for their IGCSE exams anywhere from 2023 to 2025, based on the revised syllabus. Separate notes exist for students appearing for examinations in 2022. The study notes have a few application-based questions, just to make sure that you have some way of understanding as to what kind of questions have been asked based on the concepts, without actually going to the topic-wise past paper section. The best part of the study notes is that they are based on an extensive research of past exam papers. So, learning from these notes helps you get better prepared for your school exams as well as the board exams. With this in mind, you may continue watching the revision notes preview for various topics. Best of luck and God bless.